Everyone talks about making money in the stock market, but very few talk honestly about who actually wins. Every day you see screenshots of fast profits, luxury cars, and people claiming they made thousands in just minutes through day trading. At the same time, others quietly invest in index funds, stay patient, and rarely go viral. So here's the real question no one likes to ask out loud. When it comes to index funds versus day trading, who really wins? Today, on The Silent Truth, we are pulling back the curtain on the hype, the risks, and the reality that most people only learn after losing money. Imagine waking up every morning with your heart racing, staring at charts, watching prices move up and down in seconds, afraid that one wrong click could erase weeks of effort. That is the daily reality for many day traders. On the other hand, imagine investing your money, closing the app, going back to your life, and letting time quietly do the heavy lifting. Both paths promise wealth, freedom, and success, but only one consistently delivers for most people. Before we go deeper, if you value honest conversations about money, investing, and financial reality, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps The Silent Truth reach more people who are tired of fake gurus and unrealistic promises. Day trading looks exciting because it feels active. You're doing something every day. You feel in control. You feel smart when a trade works and powerful when you beat the market, even if only for a moment. Social media loves day trading because it's dramatic. Fast wins, fast losses, emotions, tension, and screenshots. But what rarely gets shown is the silent side, the hours of stress, the mental exhaustion, the constant fear of losing, and the long losing streaks that slowly drain both money and confidence. Multiple studies have shown that the majority of day traders lose money over time, not just a little, but often a lot. Even professional traders with years of experience struggle to consistently beat the market. Fees, commissions, taxes, emotional mistakes, and bad timing slowly eat away profits. One bad day can wipe out weeks of gains. And for many people, day trading turns into an addiction where they keep trading not to grow wealth, but to recover losses. Index funds are the opposite of exciting. They don't promise overnight success. They don't create viral screenshots. They don't make you feel like a genius today. Instead, they quietly track the market, spread risk across hundreds of companies, and grow slowly over time. There is no thrill, but there is consistency. Historically, the stock market has grown over long periods despite crashes, recessions, and fear. Index funds simply ride that growth. The real power of index funds is not skill, but time. Compounding works best when you are patient. Small, regular investments grow into something meaningful after years. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need to predict the next big move. You just need discipline and consistency. That is why so many long-term investors quietly outperform most active traders without stress. Day trading demands constant attention. You miss a moment, you miss money. Index investing demands patience. You ignore noise, you ignore fear, and you ignore hype. Most people underestimate how hard patience actually is. Doing nothing often feels harder than doing something, even when doing something causes damage. Another uncomfortable truth is that most people who make money teaching day trading are not making it from trading. They make it from courses, signals, subscriptions, and ads. If day trading was that easy and profitable, they wouldn't need to sell it. Index funds don't need marketing because the results speak quietly over decades, not days. This doesn't mean no one makes money day trading. Some do, but they are rare, highly disciplined, emotionally controlled, and often backed by significant capital and experience. For the average person with a job, family, and limited time, day trading becomes a gamble, not a strategy. Index fund investors win in a different way. They win sleep. They win peace of mind. They win time with family. They win consistency. They win not because they are smarter, but because they accept that markets reward patience more than ego. So who really wins? The one chasing excitement or the one building quietly? The one reacting to every price move or the one trusting long-term growth? The silent truth is that wealth is usually built slowly, quietly, and boringly. And that boring path has created more millionaires than any flashy trading strategy ever will. If this video made you rethink how you see investing, share it with someone who's stuck chasing fast money. And I really want to hear from you, so drop a comment below and tell me which side you're on and why. Your thoughts help this conversation grow, and they help the silent truth stay honest, grounded, and real.